Casey deposited $1,450 in a bank account with an interest rate of 4%. Oh, sorry, I'm supposed to put at the top here. We're doing simple interest formula. And so I wrote it out with dots for multiplication. T is in terms of time, okay? P is the principal. That's like the starting amount you put into an investment or the starting amount of your loan. And R is the rate, the percentage rate as a decimal. And you plug those numbers in, you can calculate I, the interest. So they deposited $1,450. That's how much their principal is. The rate was 4%, so we do 0.04. And then how much interest was earned after 2 years? That means we put in a 2 for T. And then solve. We just have to take out a calculator. It makes $116 for interest. So they invested $1,450. They got $116 in interest. Hilaria borrowed $8,000 from her grandfather to pay for college, so that sounds like a principal to me. The starting amount of a loan. 5 years later, sounds like we're going to have 5 for T, so I'm going to put 5 where T goes. She paid it back to $8,000 plus $1,200 in interest. So we put $1,200 over here for interest. And then they're asking us to solve for R. The order you multiply in doesn't matter, right? 1 times 2 times 3 is the same thing as 3 times 2 times 1. So we got 8,000 times 5. That makes $40,000. We can multiply those two things together because they're already on the same side of the equation. And then to finish getting R by itself, divide both sides by 40,000. So R equals 1,200 divided by $40,000. So R equals 0.03, or as a percentage, R is 3%. And then in 10 years, so I equals PRT for these questions. I use capital R, I don't know why. 10 years, a bank account that paid 5.25% earned $18,375 in interest. Holy cannolis. We don't know what the principal is, but we know the rate as a decimal. Oops, yeah, that's right, 0.525. And we know the time is 10 for years. And so if we multiply those numbers, 0.0525 times 10, that makes P times 0.525. And then to get P by itself, we divide both sides by 0.525. So P is going to equal this right here, okay? $35,000 was the starting amount.